This is one of the engines that goes in one of the cars that I got, but it has electric start. So if you see people, fly glow airplanes, and they talk about having the onboard, electric start, don't think that that is like a new thing, because this collection I got is like probably 30 years old and older. So the electric start has been out for a while. But this is also very heavy. So you got to think about your airplane. You got this whole gearbox plus motor plus battery plus wires and all that. So that can really weigh down a plane. So I'm sure the electric start airplane glow engines, that the setup is much lighter and probably less to it and so on. Anyways, I just want to show you that. Some of you guys would probably think it's pretty cool.